Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add MetroCard to Apple Wallet. First, open your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card to begin the process. On the next screen, choose Travel Card instead of debit or credit card. Browse the list of supported travel cards. Find and tap your Metro card if it's available. Note, the travel card options show are based on your location. So if Metro isn't listed, it may not be supported yet in your region. If your Metro card is supported, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. That's how to add Metro card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.